If the lunar orbit insertion maneuver was failed today, it would have been a loss of 978 crore rupees that was spent on it, and most importantly, the efforts of all the men and women involved in the mission would have gone into vain. Hello and welcome to my channel. Without a further ado, let's get into the topic. ISRO's Chandrayaan-2 has reached another milestone in its voyage to the moon. The spacecraft was injected successfully into Moon's orbit today, that is 20th August 2019. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi had congratulated ISRO upon this achievement. Why is the lunar orbit insertion so important in Chandrayaan's journey? Let's know. Our goal, I mean ISRO's goal, is to reach the moon and do certain experiments on it. Moon is 384,400 kilometers away from Earth, and this voyage happens in a series of steps. Let's understand it. After the successful launch of Chandrayaan-2 on 22nd July this year, 5 Earth-bound maneuvers were performed on Chandrayaan-2 to raise its orbit to the altitude of 141,000 kilometers. A maneuver means a careful and controlled movement of the spacecraft. Okay, and basically the Earth-bound maneuver is performed to move Chandrayaan-2 away from Earth and nearer to the moon. But to reach closer to the moon, a larger leap was necessary, and that was achieved by performing TRANSLUNAR injection on 14th August 2019, which injected Chandrayaan-2 towards moon with a velocity of 10.9 kilometers per second and sent it to 418,000 kilometers apogee and 7,000 kilometers above the moon's orbit. Apogee means the farthest distance of the satellite from Earth. And on 19th August, Chandrayaan-2 had entered into the sphere of influence of moon, by when moon has reached Chandrayaan-2 and Chandrayaan-2 was captured into moon's gravity. Oh great, we finally reached the moon's orbit. Wait, it's not over yet. Here comes the most important step in the mission, which is the lunar orbit insertion, which basically means taking Chandrayaan-2 into a stable lunar orbit. As Chandrayaan-2 is now under the influence of moon, Chandrayaan-2 will actually gain certain momentum, which makes it unstable, and it may move away from moon's influence, and also it may get lost into the deep space, which may cost us a lot of loss of money and effort. But today, scientists moved Chandrayaan-2 into a stable orbit carefully by reducing its speed from 2.4 kilometers per second to 2.1 kilometers per second. And it took around 1,738 seconds for the whole event to be completed. It's approximately 29 minutes, and that's how Chandrayaan-2 was successfully placed into an orbit. And the orbit which was achieved was 114 kilometers by 18,072 kilometers. 114 kilometers perigee, which is the least distance from moon surface to Chandrayaan-2, and 18,072 kilometers apogee, which is the farthest distance from moon to Chandrayaan-2. Speaking at a press conference today, ISRO's chairman SIVAN said that even a difference of around a velocity at 10 kilometers per second would make the orbit inclination or even the soft landing, which we are aiming at, impossible. Finally, it was successfully done, and the lander will reach the surface of moon on 7th of September to continue the mission. And Mr. SIVAN today at the press gathering wanted the media to encourage them. But not only media, we can also encourage ISRO by subscribing to their YouTube channel, or even sending some good wishes to them in Twitter or Facebook or on the social media platforms. Actually, these words were said by Mr. SIVAN himself, that the good words would actually give them a boost. So let's do that as Mr. SIVAN has proposed. To know more details of Chandrayaan-2, watch my another video in which I've explained the mission in detail. So I'm posting it in the cards, and also you can find the links in the description. Thank you very much for watching till the end. If you liked my content, please leave a like, and if you are new to my channel and if you like such content, consider subscribing to my channel.